Hey everyone, JR Skeens Drone Services. I just want to say a very happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours, and from my little corner of the world to yours. I hope everyone has a very joyous day, fellowshipping with their family and friends, and have a safe travel to and from. And from my heart out to you, I hope everyone has a safe day. Enjoy yourselves, enjoy your families, enjoy your friends. And we'll see you in the next video coming up very soon, probably by the end of the week, will be the final fall spectacular video of Cass, West Virginia. Hope everyone enjoys and happy Thanksgiving again. Thank you.